Rosalie Santoalia. I'm the Marketing Manager of Stronghold Insurance, Southern Luzon Corporate Center. Getting insurance is really important nowadays because it will protect you from unforeseen events, and it brings peace of mind for you and for your loved ones. It can help you live life with less worries, knowing you will receive financial assistance after a disaster or an accident. The company started as Mabuhay Insurance and Guarantee Company, Inc. Established on March 21, 1960 as a wholly owned Filipino non-life insurance company. The new shareholders, led by the late Mr. David C. Mercado, became the new owner of Mabuhay Insurance and Guarantee Company, Inc. Our mission is to provide and deliver excellent non-life insurance protection and value for our customers and other stakeholders. Tinatawagan namin yung mga clients namin. Nagsiset kami ng appointment para ma-explain sa kanila kung ano yung mga coverage and benefits ng insurance na kailangan at saka kukuhanin nila. Pagpasok ng client sa office, dapat lalabas silang nakangiti at kampante sila na protected sila. Best rates na ino-offer namin, yun yung usually na feedback nila, and fast approval of claims. We do offer a complete non-life insurance. We have different lines of insurance: motor car insurance, fire insurance, personal accident insurance, marine insurance, property floater, surety ship, comprehensive general liability, contractors all risk insurance, OFW, and microinsurance. We have new products, the Cabarako Card Personal Accident Insurance. Isa siyang card na kumbaga para siyang prepaid card. Meron kaming promos doon. Pagka bumili ka, merong discount. And then sa motor car insurance din, nagbibigay din kami ng mga discounts. Open from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They can inquire also through our FB page, Stronghold Insurance Southern Luzon Corporate Center. Kayo sa Stronghold Insurance, we offer competitive rates, fast service, customer service, and approval of claims. You can inquire our FB page. Pwede po kayong mag-inquire doon para sa kailangan nyo pong insurance.